Okay, so EF right now, if we look at the picture, E to F is this one right here. Okay, E to F, and it equals 8x minus 14. Okay, but we know what our x value is. Our x value is 6. Okay, so we're going to plug in 6 where the x is at. So you got 8 times 6 minus 14. Sorry, I'm trying not to zoom in and out, but I'm also trying to write small. So 8 times 6 is 48 minus 14. So now we just got 48 minus 14, and that gives us 34. Okay, now think, what were we doing? What's 34? Okay, 34 is how long the segment EF is, okay? So 34 is our segment EF. Okay, and I'm going to label that here. So this one is 34. Now, I want you to think logically here. So if you know what the whole segment is, it's 59, and you know one segment, EF, is 34, is there an easier way that you could figure out what is the other segment? Okay, because we know that this one plus this one should equal this one. Okay, this one plus this one should equal this one. So 34 plus something equals 59. Okay, so if you want to run through all the math, you're more than welcome to. If that's going to help you, do it. Okay, but you can also say, well, what value, what number, 34 plus some number, okay, is 59. So you could trial and error, or you could say 59 minus 34, and that would give you this value. Okay, so if you did it on your calculator, okay, you could say, well, I know the one is 59, and I know that the other one is 34, so that means this one should be 25. Okay, this one should be 25. And I'm still going to run through the math, but that's kind of an easier way to figure out what it is. So FG is 4x. What did it say, plus 1? Yeah, plus 1. Okay, and we know our x is. Our x is 6, so 4 times 6 plus 1. Okay, well, 4 times 6 is 24 plus 1. And we got 24 plus 1 is 25. Okay, and that's what we got earlier when we just kind of did the cheater way. You got 25, okay? So there's not really a super quick way to solve the first two, but for the third one, there definitely is, okay? Brady, take a picture. You write slow. I love you, but you do. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but there's a freaking clock in here. I don't know if it's because I'm on quarantine or what, but the clock is getting to me. It's like constant. No matter where I am, I can hear it. Tick, tock, tick, tock. About to lose my marbles in here. Okay, the next one says, if xy equals 18. Okay, so let's start to just look at it, label. Okay, xy equals 18. That means the entire segment, okay, equals 18. What is x? What is a, or a xy? Oh my god. XA and what is AY. Okay, so if we're trying to solve our X, we know that if we take this one plus this one, it should equal the 18. Okay, so we got 3x plus our second segment is 5x minus 6 equals a total length of 18. Okay, so we can combine our like terms. So I got a 5x and a 3x to give me an 8x minus 6 equals 18. Pop! Knock it off. Okay, so I'm going to add 6 to both sides. So I got 8x equals 24. Okay, and now it's 8x, so it's really 8 times x, so we need to solve, so you need to do the opposite of multiply. Okay, which is going to be divide both sides by 8. You got x equals, and it's 24 divided by 8. It's going to give us 3. Okay, so now we know our x value is 3. Okay, and so now they want to know, well, what is XA? Okay, so XA, we know that it's given that it's 3x. So we need to plug our stuff in. So we know our x value is going to be 3, and our x is 3. Okay, 3 times 3 is 9. So XA equals 9. So I'm going to write that in over here. Okay, and if we were doing our cheater way, we know the whole segment, and we know one of the littler segments, so we could figure out, without even doing any math, what's the other segment. Okay, so you could do 18 minus 9 is 9. Okay, so you could say that the other segment, without even doing any math, is 9. Okay, and I'm just going to run through the motion. You guys don't have to write all this on your piece of paper, but so the other segment is 5x minus 6. And we know that our x is 3, so 5 times 3 minus 6. Well, 5 times 3 is 15 minus 6, which is 9. And that's what we got doing the cheater way, too. Okay, and I'm well aware, I was already flirting with the idea, I'm well aware we might need to spend another day on this, so don't freak out if you're feeling lost in the sauce today. That's totally fine. What's the matter, Pop? You got the hiccups? Brady, make sure you take a picture. Get ready to scroll. Hopefully you got it. If not, text me. I'll put it back up there. Okay, and then here's the last one. I want you guys to try to do it by yourself. Probably maybe draw the picture on your screen, on your piece of paper or something. Okay, so it says, if PR equals 82, what is X? What is PQ? What is QR? Okay, And our PQ is 6x minus 7. Our QR is 5x plus 1. Okay, so we know that this whole segment is 82. And they want us to figure out what's the x, what's this segment, and what's this segment. Okay, so try to run through that and see if you can do it. That's the only one you got to do on your own. So initially you're supposed to do 2. I only made you do 1 because we had a little hiccup today. So do that one and then put your paper in the box and or submit it on Canvas.